Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Sitara program faces headwinds. A long-awaited IJT-36 Sitara trainer aircraft developed by HAL continues to be a source of both hope and frustration for the Indian Air Force. While HAL claims to be nearing the end of the development phase, the program has faced significant delays and setbacks over its 2-decade-long journey. Initially envisioned as a replacement for the aging Kiran Mk2, the Sitara has encountered numerous hurdles, including critical design flaws that necessitated major modifications to the tail and undercarriage sections. Next, DG-J40 jet engines near production. The Indian aerospace startup DG Propulsion Private Limited has announced that its DG-J40 jet engine is in the final stage of production. The company's director Prateek Dhawan confirmed that the engines are currently undergoing final tuning and are ready for mass production. While DPPL is eager to showcase the engine's capabilities, customer confidentiality restrictions prevent them from publicly displaying specific applications at this time. Next, warships under construction for Project 17A. The latest images from Garden Research shipbuilders and engineers highlight significant progress on the warship currently under construction at the state-owned shipyard. These updates demonstrate GRSE's commitment to timely delivery and excellence in naval shipbuilding. Under Project 17A, GRSE is constructing advanced stealth frigates that will significantly enhance the Indian Navy's capabilities. These warships are designed to incorporate modern weapon systems, sensors, and advanced stealth features, making them a critical asset in India's maritime defense strategy. Next, IAF partners with PES College for the development of software for jets. The IAF has taken a significant step towards fostering academic defense collaboration by signing a memorandum of understanding with the PES College of Engineering, Mandya, Karnataka. The partnership aims to leverage the combined expertise of the IAF Software Development Institute and the college engineering research and development capabilities. Next, Sharp will be game changer. JSW Sarbloh Motor CEO and Director Vladimir Jaskirat Singh Nagra took to X to highlight the potential of the locally manufactured Sharp N1200 as an ideal solution for disaster relief, particularly in situations like the recent Gujarat floods. The Sharp N1200, a rugged all-terrain vehicle, is designed to navigate challenging terrains including flooded areas. Its impressive 1200 kg payload capacity enables it to transport essential supplies and personnel to remote locations. With its ability to traverse through deep water and muddy conditions, the Sharp can reach areas that are inaccessible to boats. Next, the former Singapore diplomat says UK should offer its UNC to India. A prominent voice has emerged advocating for a significant shift in the composition of the United Nations Security Council. Former Singapore diplomat Kishore Mahbubani has argued that India should be granted a permanent seat on the UNSC while the United Kingdom should relinquish its position. Thank you.